Bring the power of clean to every job with the Masterforce 20-volt 2.5-gallon wet-dry vacuum. Leave the cords at home. Powered by any Masterforce Flex Power 20-volt battery for ultimate portability and versatility. Producing 46 CFM that devours everything that lays in its path in both wet and dry applications. A 2.5-gallon tank with a detachable lid allows for quick emptying of collected debris. An integrated blower port for removing light debris and dust. Cushion grip handle with a compact, lightweight design allows for easy transportation between jobs. In addition, an integrated onboard accessory storage makes for easy access to everything you may need. Make quick cleanup in a variety of wet and dry messes with power, performance, durability, Masterforce. Exclusively at Menards.